how to turn on or turn off fingerprint unlock on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down. And in here, tap on security and privacy. After that, we scroll down. And then tap on biometrics. Next, tap on fingerprints. Then put in the current PIN or password. And then tap on continued. And then we go down and tap on fingerprint unlock. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on fingerprint unlock. If you switch it off, then on the lock screen, you will not be able to unlock the screen using fingerprint. To turn it on, we can go back in here and switch it on. When it is turned on the lock screen, you can see now it will show a fingerprint icon. You can tap on that and the phone will unlock. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, leave a comment if you have any issue, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.